every time I go someplace, whether it's a Hot Wheel convention or toy show or whatever, and anybody who knows me, first thing they say is, "What are you looking for? I'm sure you got everything in the whole world," and I don't. But it's nice that people think that. Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of Hot Wheels TV. Today we're going to look at some more blue cards. Every time I go someplace, whether it's a Hot Wheel convention or toy show or whatever, and anybody who knows me, first thing they say is, "What are you looking for? I'm sure you got everything in the whole world," and I don't. But it's nice that people think that. But I'm always looking for variations that are out there that I missed, or that are extremely hard to get. Today I'm going to tell you about one that's extremely hard to get, and I've been searching for it for 24 years now, since I first found out about it. One of my favorite castings is the HiWay Hauler. Okay. Now, the variation I'm talking about is the 238 HiWay Hauler that has a Hot Wheel logo on the front bumper. The normal releases, right? There's two variations on the, well, counting this, there's three. The two normal variations, it's got the purple enamel cab, the white box, and a chrome base with basic wheels, large ones all the way around. But the tampo on the side is either a very dark purple, and the delivery is also much darker. And then the other one is a light purple, and the colors are, you got it, lighter. But this one here, that I've been searching for over 20 years, is the variation. If you have any of my books, you will have noted in there that I talk about one that has a Hot Wheel logo on the front bumper. Now, I've only seen two in my life, and this is the second one. And you can imagine how many Hot Wheels, how many number 238s I have seen in the past 20 some odd years at toy shows, at conventions, and I have looked at every single one that I've found. If they're sitting on a bed somewhere, I'm looking at them all, and I'm looking at the front bumper. And actually, I never really thought that I would find one. Our buddy Ray Adler has one. I don't know if Carl Pompanio has one. And I don't know if Jimmy Garbaczewski had one, but I know Ray Adler has one. He might have two, and but like I said, I've only seen one other, and this one. So, like I said, I get thousands of them that I have looked. So I was recently at the 37th annual Hot Wheels Collectors Convention in Los Angeles, and I'm going through the rooms like I always do, room to room stuff, and there was like 4 of them on this guy's bed. And I'm just, like I said, just look. Picked one up, picked one up. Wait, really? Holy moly. And there it was. So it pays off to keep searching. Don't give up. Because like I said, 20 some odd years to keep searching for the number 238 HiWay Hauler with the red Hot Wheels logo on the nose, or on the front bumper. So really stoked. I mean, and I told everybody, I said, hey, if I don't find anything more this week, I'm cool, because I've been looking for that one for over 20 years. So there are 3 variations on the HiWay Hauler number 238 blue card, and they all have a purple enamel cab. They have a light purple and dark purple tampo on the white box, chrome Malaysia base, and basic wheels all the way around. And the third variation is the one with the Hot Wheels logo on the front bumper. So, and there you go. Like I said, I like HiWay Haulers, so I'm going to throw this one in also with this episode. This is number 142, and it is the HiWay Hauler, and it's the Kool-Aid HiWay Hauler Wacky Warehouse, and it has a red enamel cab, a white box, chrome base, and the only difference between these two is the ribbon on the side. Now, the top one here has a very narrow ribbon. It's got a, what do I want to say that is, like a blue, a light blue enamel in the Kool-Aid and in the trim. But it's a red ribbon that's outlined in that blue. And the bottom one here you can see is a much wider, much fatter ribbon on the side. So also, this one here, the yellow in Wacky Warehouse is much brighter. Now I don't want to say brighter and darker, but it's more pronounced than the narrow one. That is a light yellow. So there you have two different HiWay Haulers with some pretty decent variations to them. And so that's it for today's episode on blue cards. I heard everybody liked the last blue card episode we did. So we're going to keep doing the blue cards and all the variations that I have of them. So again, always thanks for watching Hot Wheels TV. Always appreciate you guys stopping by. Please share our videos. Please tell your friends. Please subscribe. And also please be kind to one another. So until the next time we see you right here at Hot Wheels TV, you guys take care of yourselves, and I hope to see you real soon. Bye-bye.